Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best 10-watt laser is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your workshop or crafting space, capable of engraving intricate designs on wood, leather, and acrylic, as well as cutting through thinner materials with impressive speed and precision, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists, makers, and small business owners looking to elevate their projects with professional-grade results and unlock a new realm of creative possibilities. Number 5. Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver. Introducing the Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver, a fully upgraded machine designed to bring your creative visions to life. With its powerful 10W output and intuitive 3.5-inch color touchscreen, you can engrave on metal, glass, and wood with ease. Experience incredible engraving speeds of up to 10,000 mm min thanks to advanced dual-beam technology. It effortlessly cuts through thick wood and acrylic, making it perfect for any project. Don't let a small workspace limit your potential. With our optional extension kit, you can expand the working area by 200%, giving you the versatility to handle larger engraving and cutting projects. Enjoy powerful and stable performance with its 32-bit motherboard. Transfer data effortlessly via Wi-Fi, USB, app, or TF card, and take advantage of offline operation for ultimate convenience. Your safety is paramount. This engraver features a protective cover and glasses to prevent eye irritation, along with an automatic suspension program that stops the machine if abnormal shaking is detected. Assembly is a breeze with the included tools and detailed guide. Plus, benefit from ongoing technical support and 24-hour professional customer service to assist you every step of the way. What we like. This laser engraver boasts a powerful 10W output, perfect for tackling tougher materials like metal and glass. Its intuitive color touchscreen and app-based offline control make operation incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a versatile machine that offers both power and ease of use for a wide range of projects, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 10-watt laser is a powerful tool for engraving and cutting various materials with precision. Its advanced cooling system ensures stable operation during extended use, preventing overheating. The user-friendly interface and software compatibility make it easy to set up and operate, even for beginners. Number 4. Longer Ray 5 Mini Laser Engraver. Experience unparalleled detail with its ultra-fine laser spot, delivering 0.01 mm accuracy for professional results. Enjoy smooth, clean lines at impressive speeds up to 12,000 mm min. Weighing only 1.8 kilograms, it's perfect for any workspace and easy to take with you. It comes pre-assembled, so you can start creating right out of the box. Work with confidence thanks to included protective glasses and an emergency stop button for added peace of mind. You'll have full control in any situation. This versatile tool can engrave over 300 materials, from wood and leather to acrylic. It's ideal for custom crafts, DIY gifts, and small business needs. Connect easily via USB, Wi-Fi, or app, and use it offline for ultimate flexibility. It's compatible with popular software and comes with lifetime technical support. Easily create personalized gifts for friends and family this holiday season. Turn your ideas into meaningful DIY projects safely and conveniently. What we like. This mini laser engraver is incredibly compact and portable, making it ideal for small spaces or on-the-go creativity. It offers high-speed cutting and is pre-assembled for a beginner-friendly experience. If you're a hobbyist or crafter who needs a simple, easy-to-use device for personalized gifts and small projects, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The 10-watt laser has a powerful beam that can cut through 3 mm plywood with ease. Its compact design makes it easy to mount on various machines, and the adjustable focus ensures precise engraving. The included safety goggles and enclosed design provide excellent protection during operation. Number 3. Longer Cut Engraver Air Assist Kit. Introducing the Longer Cut Engraver Air Assist Kit. Its adjustable airflow effectively suppresses smoke and dust, preventing them from weakening the laser's energy. The powerful airflow quickly reduces surface temperature, preventing excessive burning. This ensures your cut edges are consistently cleaner and smoother. Enjoy a quiet working environment with noise levels similar to a household fan. This allows for focused laser engraving and cutting without distraction. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. No extra accessories are needed, just follow 2 simple steps to get started. The included 2M tube offers flexible movement, ensuring precise cutting and engraving. It's designed to work seamlessly with your longer laser engraver. Upgrade your Ray 510W or 20W laser engraver with this essential air assist kit. Experience improved results and a more efficient workflow. What we like. This air assist kit provides a large, adjustable airflow to effectively suppress smoke and dust, resulting in cleaner, smoother edges on your cuts. It operates at a low noise level, ensuring a quieter working environment. If you already own a compatible laser engraver and want to significantly improve cut quality and reduce post-processing, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The 10-watt laser is a powerful tool for engraving and cutting various materials. Its precise beam allows for intricate designs and detailed work. The laser features adjustable power settings for different material thicknesses and engraving depths. Number 2. JMGO N1S 4K Triple Laser Projector. Immerse yourself in a cinematic experience right at home. With stunning 4K resolution and HDR10, it delivers incredibly detailed visuals and rich colors. Enjoy a massive 200-inch screen for a true theater-like feel, complete with 360-degree surround sound and breathtaking 3D capabilities. Discover unparalleled color performance with its advanced triple laser technology. This eliminates distracting rainbow effects and ensures exceptional color accuracy and contrast. Experience vibrant, lifelike visuals with over 1 billion colors and impressive brightness. Effortlessly find the perfect viewing angle with its integrated gimbal, allowing for easy one-handed adjustments. It adapts to any surface, ensuring a perfectly focused and squared image every time. Smart eye protection adds an extra layer of safety for everyone. Access a universe of entertainment with Google TV and licensed Netflix. Enjoy personalized recommendations and seamless access to thousands of apps and channels. Control your viewing with simple voice commands and stream content wirelessly from your devices. Take your entertainment anywhere with its lightweight and compact design. Despite its portability, it delivers powerful performance for movies and gaming. Enjoy smooth, fluid visuals and stable operation thanks to its advanced chipset and connectivity options. For the sharpest picture, adjust the keystone correction before the focus. If you notice any color tint, please refer to the troubleshooting guide or contact our support team for assistance. What we like. This projector features advanced triple laser technology for incredibly vivid colors and stunning 4K resolution, delivering a true cinematic experience. With its integrated gimbal for instant autofocus and smart Google TV, it offers unparalleled convenience and access to entertainment. If you desire a premium home theater experience with exceptional image quality and smart features, this projector is the ultimate choice. What people say. The 10-watt laser is incredibly precise, allowing for intricate engraving on various materials. Its user-friendly interface makes operation straightforward, even for beginners. The powerful beam ensures fast and clean cutting, significantly reducing project time. Number 1. Laser Tree 10,000 mW Laser Engraving Module. Introducing the Laser Tree 10,000 mW Laser Module, designed for powerful and precise engraving. It boasts an impressive 80W machine power and 10,000 mW optical output, allowing for direct engraving on stainless steel and fast cutting of thick materials. This upgraded module features an improved air assist system for faster, cleaner cuts. It also includes a magnetic, removable eye cover for enhanced safety and a combined fan and air tube holder for convenience. Equipped with an original diode and built-in FAC technology, this module delivers exceptional stability and a long lifespan of 20,000 hours. The compressed spot ensures super cutting penetration and precision, significantly increasing engraving speed. Designed for ease of use, it features multi-hole positioning for simple installation on various laser engraving and cutting machines. An adapter board ensures compatibility with different voltages and pin configurations, making it perfect for DIY projects. Choose between 12V or 24V options to match your machine's driver board. The kit includes all necessary accessories and professional technical support is available to assist you with any questions. What we like. This powerful laser module offers a high optical output and features FAC technology for a smaller beam size, resulting in super cutting penetration and precision. It can directly engrave smooth stainless steel and ceramics without any coating. If you're looking to upgrade an existing laser engraver for professional level metal engraving and cutting with increased speed and precision, this module is the ideal solution. What people say. The 10-watt laser has a powerful engraving capability, allowing for detailed work on various materials. Its advanced cooling system ensures consistent performance during extended use, preventing overheating. The user-friendly interface and precise focusing mechanism make it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.